Hey, this is Kayak Trapper. I'm out fishing. I'm gonna try making some fishing videos and put on my channel with my trapping videos. So I'm out here on the Willamette. Beautiful day. There's some bald eagles up in that tree. And there's a big old fish right here. Mr. Steelhead. He just ripped my line apart. Come here, you. Really good fight. This is what I caught him on, and he just freaking destroyed it, man. Look at that, missing a hook on that one. Just freaking destroyed that F7. It's got to go to the maintenance shop. Anyway, this is Kayak Trapper. I'll get re-rigged and see if I can get another one. Well, these guys got a fish on, and they're trying to just horse it in. Jesus, they didn't even fight it. Wow, that's the quickest frickin' net job I ever saw. Anyway, this is the Kayak Trapper, and one fish today, and let's freaking call it a day. We'll make some more of these. Newest one for fishing. This is the quickest fish catch I ever saw. Alright guys.